Hi, hello, my name is Kwame, and thank you for waiting for me to release my financial breakthrough for 2023. This is a business model that I've studied for almost 2 years. It's based in Canada. It's for people who are struggling financially, people who are in debt, who have student loans to pay. They don't have savings. They can't even have vacation. They can't travel. They're doing 9 to 5. They're struggling financially. This is a system that is designed, automated 24/7 to work for you. Take advantage of it. Follow our webinar and we'll show you more. Thank you.